a world-class 5-axis mold machine developed by Hyundai-Wia. XF6300 is a 5-axis vertical machining center designed by top researchers at the Hyundai-Wia R&D Center in Europe. It is a world-class machine tool that meets the highest standards in terms of speed, precision, strength, and user convenience. Designed with user convenience as top priority, XF6300 has a 19-inch monitor to enhance legibility. When using shop mill and 3D simulations, the standard functions of Siemens NC that facilitates product processing, the large monitor enhances the ease of use of the program. The control panel was designed as a circuit type to allow control of the program at the optimum position during product setup, and it is easy to manipulate as it is in the same format as a computer keyboard. In XF6300, designed based on the analysis technique unique to Hyundai-Wia, the bed and column have been integrated together. Compared to the general machine tools in which the bed and column are separated, the integrated structure of XF6300 is characterized by superior stability, strength, and vibration absorption, making it the optimum choice for processing high-quality products. The Z-axis has a symmetrical design with the center of mass of the principal axis and the feed shaft in the same direction. This minimizes the overhang and shaking caused by the weight of the head body and ensures precision in product processing. As for the X-axis, there is a 4-way box-type saddle within the cross beam, which enhances strength and minimizes thermal displacement. The pusher surrounding the principal axis cartridge has been designed as a box-in-box type within the X-axis saddle, thereby ensuring thermal equilibrium and minimizing thermal deformation. A linear scale and a rotary encoder have been applied to the linear axes X, Y, and Z, and the rotation axes A and C, respectively, to minimize the range of error. Built-in type spindles with a combination of angular contact bearings have been applied to the front and back of the main spindle, allowing high-speed, high-precision processing at a speed of up to 15,000 RPM. There are also 24,000, 30,000, and 40,000 RPM main spindle available as options for high-quality mold processing. Also, excellent and consistent processing performance is guaranteed, with low noise and vibration, even at high-speed rotations and minimal thermal displacement along the main spindle. An oil cooling device, which has been added as a standard feature, keeps the main spindle at constant temperature for long hours to ensure consistency in product quality. In XF6300 HSK tool holder, where there is minimal deformation in the spindle taper, even during high-speed rotations, ensures high positioning accuracy for application to the processing of molded parts to produce outstanding results. XF6300 has a rotary table design for simultaneous operation of the 5 axes, thereby allowing processing of goods in diverse shapes and forms. With the direct drive motor, high precision and high-speed performance has been achieved for improved productivity, while the strength has been reinforced with the A-axis housing, designed as an all-in-one type. Tool change time of 4.5 seconds, which is the fastest among its kind, has been attained by improving the tool change mechanism with the application of a ring-type ATC. One level magazine of 34 tools has been applied as a standard feature, while 2-level 68 tools and 3-level 102 tools can be chosen as options. With XF6300 there is a mold package available for efficient mold processing. The mold package comes with shop mill, 3D simulation, real-time simulation, advanced surface and splice interpolation features, and more through M-Dynamics, a powerful mold solution developed by Siemens. Other standard features include the auto power cutoff, which is switched on after a certain period of time, the thermal displacement compensation device for correction of accuracy according to temperature changes in the principal axis, cutting air blow that makes cutting oil unnecessary, and an auto tool measuring device which measures the length automatically depending on the wear on the tool. Hyundai-Wia assures high productivity and precision of its products with excellent designs, production process, and after-sales service. Leading the evolution of machine tools and creating new values, Hyundai-Wia will turn your dreams into reality with XF600 5A.